And then there's the big whisper, an audacious projection that ETH could expand in value by orders of magnitude as Wall Street builds comfort and uses it as a settlement and programmable money layer. As noted today, the claim hooks attention because it sketches a future we can almost touch. The work is not to argue with the number, but to translate it into a checklist you can trade. If exchange-traded products keep opening doors, if real-world assets settle here, if block space demand is visible in fees and L2 throughput, then the floor may thicken over time, but your entries still live where proof lives. Reclaim a level with participation and hold it on retests. Avoid first impulses that collapse without volume. Let structure, not hope, invite you in. Let's thread these together. The bridge into public markets, the on-chain blueprint for reconstruction, and the institutional path for ETH all rhyme. They point to the same arc. Pipes are being laid, and value accrues where pipes are used. For traders, this changes the rhythm. US open and close windows matter more when regulated products drive flow. Weekends thin out when institutional pipes rest. News that names verifiable partners matters more than slogans that trend for an hour. Our edge is to read the room, then trade the level. Now this is what I'm watching this week. For the bridge story, I want to see filings I can read, the issuer's name made public, custody arrangements live, and any token burn changes observable on-chain. The moment depth thickens as confirmations land, I'll consider a position defined against the reclaimed area. If the book remains hollow, I'll let the candle flash by without me. For tokenization, I'm looking for milestone logic that actually gates funds and oracles with reputations to lose. When verifiable rails appear, the assets and venues plugged into them will be the ones I prefer to trade. For ETH, my focus is on reclaim setups that coincide with rising participation and healthier fee burn across L2s. If a level is lost on volume and retested from below without strength, I'll stand aside and wait for another invite.